Hey guys, so this has taken a hell of a lot longer than I was, I was expecting. But as you saw in the last video, I did get one of the last videos, I did get the passenger side sill done. Had to fix that up a bit. What I found with the driver's side, I've run into a bit of the same problem, but as you can see down here, as I've just been chasing the rust, and it's just absolutely everywhere. So in the spirit of doing it right, not doing it twice, I figured I'd just keep chasing it till I fixed it. So you'll get just a few updates. I've been in on the weekends. What I was hoping to do was video a sill video and then move on to the next one, but at this rate you'll get another bloody video in about friggin' 6 months time. So other side pretty much done. There's probably one little bit I should really revisit. In here, we started going up through the up the top, and I was just sort of trying to fix up some of this, but it looks like it's pretty much eaten away under here, so I'll chop that out and fix that. Again, I put this panel in here, and then noticed it was still rusty up here. I mean, check that out. There's the light. So obviously everyone knows that the rust you see on the outside is it's like a bloody iceberg. You've got you're only seeing the tip of the rust, and it's all underneath, and it travels along the back of the panels as well, and whilst it might not have come through to the other side, it's very thin. So yeah, I've just been chasing that. We're talking from where you can see the rust, we're talking like 100 mil away from where you can see the rust. So just chasing it. I did have a little bit of a go at starting to drill out some spot welds and lifting this up. So that's my job. During the week when I'm just having if I'm having a beer, I just sort of come in here and drill a couple of spot welds and moving right along. Having a shed sesh. So anyway, I'll keep on videoing. I've got to fix those panels there, and the next video will come out, and it'll be whatever I've got done is what I've got done. So you never know, there might be more sill videos.
Much later.
There you go. So this stage complete. Well, not complete. Looks like a dog's breakfast, but panels welded in. Now I'll grind it down and see where we go. Bright lights. The baby steps, one step at a time. It's not the destination, it's the journey. I'll drink to that. Cheers. Homebrew Pilsner. Get in ya.
2.
Okay, next day, I'm going to get stuck into that, cleaning that up. Little bits at a time. There's another bit done. So I've got a DA sander on order, just to clean up these welds before paint and everything. But not 100%, but we're probably one of my best at this point. So thanks to Carl at Make It Kustom. If you haven't checked out his channel, check it out. It's he goes into just intricate detail on sort of metal finishing and that type of thing. So get on it. But it's looking better. I'm just going to finish, fix up that, the rest of the panel again. It'll just be good to get through the sill so I can start on some of the other parts. We've got up around here. I've got that bit in there, and a shit ton of other areas. So anyway, getting there, guys and girls.
Several days later.
So, as I choke in the fumes of the etch primer, that bit's fixed, done. Now, the exact same thing happened on this side as happened last time. I thought I used the TIG instead of the MIG, and I thought I'd be fine, but I wasn't. It still kind of goes in a bit. Now, I'll put a picture of what I've bought. It's like a puller slide hammer type thing, but you weld on pins and then you bang them out with a slide hammer. So I wanted to give that a crack before I chopped it, cut it and then bent it out and then re-welded it. That's what I did on the other side. But with the bloody postage in Victoria at the moment, it's absolutely rubbish. They've sent me 3 messages saying that there's shipping delays and all sorts of crap. So I don't even know when that's going to turn up. But I'd rather give that a crack. I wanted one anyway. There's a couple of dents in the body that I'd rather, that I can't get to the other side. So I'd like to be able to pull them out without having to chop holes in it. So we'll see how that goes. But for now, except for that and just patching this hole up here, the other sill's done. So I don't think, unless you want to see a video of me destroying it with the bloody puller thing, there'll be a video of the sills, because to be frank, quite honest, I'm over the sills. Over them. Done. So anyway guys, thanks for watching again. We're sitting at about 450 subscribers, which is bloody amazing. If you haven't subscribed, it's free. Hit the bloody subscribe button down below. If we can get to 500, I can start hassling the shit out of you on YouTube. It opens up a little bit of extra functionality in YouTube. So for the community tab. So if you do us a solid, go down, hit subscribe, follow me little bloody banners that pop up, subscribe, hit the like button, and hit that little bell notification for any other outstanding Damo content from the Shed Sesh. So it would be appreciated. Keep on working with this. I will give you a quick update at some point on how I went with this, and there's heaps more rust repairs to do, especially around the firewall and that type of thing, and the cowl. So I'll give you an update on those as we go on as well, obviously. Anyway, guys, as always, thanks for watching. Love your work. Get in the shed.